Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you a little haul. For those of you who do not know, we purchased a home about 7 months ago, our first home ever. So, you know, even though 7 months may seem like a lot to some people, it still isn't. And I have been slowly trying to find pieces and try to find how I want everything to come together. The how do I say this? The style that I'm going for is rustic glam. So I'm trying to incorporate both of those together and just create like the perfect decor for my house. Using a lot of inspiration that I found on Pinterest and just kind of incorporating it into my own style as well. So I did a little bit of shopping in Marshalls and HomeGoods, and I wanted to share with you guys what I purchased. That way you guys can kind of get a feel for what I'm going for. And as I do decorate, I will show you guys I think in a vlog. So let me know if you're interested in that and seeing how I put things together and where I'm going with things. So definitely just let me know. Basically my whole house is going to kind of be like that rustic glam thing, except my son's room. So if you guys want to see his room as well, I'm also almost finished with it. I just got to buy a few more touches, and then his room will be done, and I'll let you guys see how that looks like. But anyways, if you're interested in seeing what I purchased from HomeGoods and Marshalls, then definitely just keep on watching. Okay, so I have everything just kind of taken out of the bags except for some stuff right there because they're more fragile. But I do have some products right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you in no specific order. I'm going to grab these items right here. This is more of the beauty section because, you know, every time you go to Marshalls, you always gotta stop at those sections like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, you know, all those stores. Whenever you see makeup and beauty, you definitely have to stop there because there's a lot of amazing prices and a lot of high-end stuff. So I got these charcoal triple cleansing strips. So you have 6 of the nose, 4 for the T-zone, and 2 for the chin. I needed these because I do have blackheads, so I wanted to get these and try them out, and I did try them out and they're really good. I do like the Biore ones better, but these were only $4.99, so at the time I was just like, let me go get them. They do work well, but the Biore ones are a little bit more better to me, so I got these. I also picked this up, which is $5.99. This is Alvarez, and this is the color correcting radiant primer. So this is $5.99, and I'm pretty interested to try this. I've been needing some new primers, so I'm interested to see what the color correcting thing is about, because if you guys know, I do have some redness in my skin, so I want to see if it actually color corrects that. It basically says it combines, has hyaluronic acid and microalgae oil to instantly color correct, treat skin tone, and prepare skin for makeup application. It has vitamin E in it, antioxidants, so pretty interesting. So I'm gonna see how this works. I'll probably use this in another makeup tutorial coming up and see how it performs. And then the last thing I got was this BOXYCHARM lipstick. It's the Big and Sexy Bold Gel Lipstick in matte. This is a matte formula and the color is Toxic Cherry. This was $5.99, and I don't own anything from BOXYCHARM, so this was pretty cute. I opened it just to make sure it wasn't tampered with, and this is what it looks like. A beautiful red. So I needed more reds in my collection because I decluttered a lot of my makeup. So this looks pretty, and I love the packaging. That's so cute. So this was $5.99. It's a very heavy lipstick, very luxurious, so I'm excited to try that. And if you're interested on what I have on my lips, I do have the NYX Lingerie, and this is in the color Embellishment. So this is the NYX Lingerie that I have on backwards. The NYX Lingerie and Embellishment that I'm wearing on my lips right now. Going into the bathroom, we have two bathrooms, so what I'm going for is like the glam rustic again. So I have these clear acrylic soap dispensers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take these off and replace them with the plastic ones, because I do notice that these, since they're like, you know, fake, they do tend to get ugly looking with time. So I think once they get that ugly looking, I'm gonna put just the plastic dispenser on it and have it like that. So these are super pretty. They look so high end. They were $12.99 each, which I don't think is that bad for acrylic. So I have these, and these are going right on the counters. So there's two of those. I purchased two of these acrylic trays, and these were $12.99 as well. So they're just acrylic, what did I say? Acrylic trays. So this is what they look like. Really nice. I love the acrylic on them. They're really thick. So my plan is I'm actually going to have some wooden distressed shelves on the wall, and then these are gonna go on top of them, and then I'll just decorate it from there, which I'll show you. But that's my whole thing. So you have like the glam, right, and then the wooden shelves will be like the rustic feel to it. Of course I'm gonna add like maybe some wall art to the bathroom. I don't want too much craziness going on. I still want to keep it very subtle, but I am gonna add some stuff there. Like I saw these glammed out like shower hooks that I want to get. So just little by little. If you guys are interested, again, let me know in the comment section if you're interested in how I'm going to go about decorating things, and I'll definitely show you in like a vlog or whatever. But yeah, these are the trays that I got. So I got two of them, and then for one of them my idea is to put like this on top, and then like a plant on one side, which I have back there. I'll show you. But these right here, I got two of them. So these were $14.99 each. I got two of them, and then basically what they are just, you know, storage. So I'm thinking of putting like cotton rounds on one side and Q-tips on the other, you know, just necessities. So there's two of that, and then I also purchased this right here, which is going to be for our toothbrushes. So this was $8.99, and again, it's acrylic, and I got acrylic also because I have a child, and just in case he knocks something down, I don't want it to be glass. So this is a little bit more sturdier and a little bit more better for that occasion. So this, and this is just going to be the toothbrush holder. At this fall plant, I do like the green in it. I was going to get like some floral. I was going to get like a floral planter, or just like a planter, and get like some Dollar Tree flowers and just create it. But I thought the green was a little bit more like fresh and a little bit more like elegant, and it would, you know, really look nice with the rustic kind of glam. So this is the planter. It's like a marbled planter, and this was $9.99. And what I'm thinking is, like I mentioned, you have this on the shelf, place this right next to it, and then oh, it's heavy, and then you have the cotton rounds and the Q-tips. So, you know, something like that. Just kind of envision it on a rustic shelf. So it's very heavy, so you know the shelves gotta be very heavy duty, which they will be. But yeah, this is my idea for that for the bathroom. Okay, so I have three more things I want to show you. So the next thing I found was this lantern. I fell in love with it. Like, it's just so pretty. I really like the metal, like the aluminum. I really like the aluminum top, kind of like metal, and then you have like the wood on the bottom, and it's a distressed like charcoal gray wood. And it also came with a little candle inside. So it's going to go on our entryway table, and I just thought it really fit well with the whole like glam rustic, because even though it is more on the rustic feel, I still feel like, you know, it kind of looks a little glam kind of in a way, you know. So that is what that looks like. And again, this was, how much was this? This was $14.99. So yeah, this was $14.99, and it's not a bad deal for a lantern. So I definitely picked this up. The item that is going to go on our entryway table would have to be this gorgeous, beautiful piece right here. I fell in love with it. It's just so pretty. I love the detail on it. It's almost like bubbles. Like, let me see if you guys can see that. Like, see, it's like bubbles on it. I don't know, it's just really pretty. I really like it, and this was $16.99. and my idea, again, this is gonna go on the entry table next to that, and I want to get like those long, like, fake flowers. I don't even know what they're called, but again, if you want to see where I'm going with this, then just let me know in the comments. But I got this. It was super pretty, super heavy. I hope it lasts because it's glass, but yeah, that's what that looks like. And I'm sorry you see like the reflection of everything. The same day I actually went to Walmart. So this last product is not from Marshalls or HomeGoods, but it is from Walmart. It was on like clearance. I thought it was a really good price, so I got this for $11, and this is another lantern. Now this one, I'm thinking of it going outside by my front door. I have a vision of how I'm going to use it, but I just still got to think about it a little bit more. I'm going to get one of those like LED candles for the inside as well. But this is so beautiful. I really love the wood on it. And yeah, they had other ones, but this one was $11, and I was like, I can't pass it up. So this is what that looks like. So gorgeous, so pretty, and I like that this is a different color as well, so it just makes it look extra pretty. And this is something that if I wanted to, I can paint it a different color, but I do like the color of it because it kind of goes with our outside, like the color of our home. So yeah. Alright guys, so that completes this haul. Let me know if you're interested in the decorating videos. Just let me know. That way I can go ahead and start planning them out for you. I'll do like room by room and like section by section depending on which room it is. But yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you also want to see more hauls from like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and HomeGoods, because I love those stores and I do go there often, but I just never really feel like I should haul, you know, sit down and record and show you guys what I purchased. But if you guys are interested in that, then definitely let me know. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!